Hello guys, I am Pratangsu and you are watching Pratangsu Tip. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can make movement in Unity 2D. Start off by creating a new sprite and then square. Rename the square to player, drag the player to the scene and see if it's aligned to the camera. Then select the player again, add component, flow machine, make it embedded and then click on edit graph. Delete the start, then drag it to the top. And now create a sequence, connect the sequence with the flow, get access, duplicate it in one type vertical and the other one type horizontal. Connect both of them with the flow, add a new variable called speed and set its value to 5. Now multiply both the get access with the variable speed. Now get vector 2, then make another variable and then drag it to the scene. And let's pass the flow. Now get that vector 2 variable, get its x and get its y. Time dot del time dot fixed delta time and then multiply both of them with that and then create vector 2, connect both of them, transform dot get position, sorry, add a vector 3 and then add both of them and then transform dot set position and then fixed update and then connect it with it. Now if I click play, I misspelled the word horizontal. Rename it and yeah, now it might work. Wait, the accesses are working wrongly. Just reconnect the flow.